Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Let's start today's English subject class. And today we will discuss about a new topic, use of where. As you know, children, where is a question words. In our previous online class, I have told about you the question words or interrogative words. Where, why, what, when, who are question words. So sometimes these question words are called WH questions because in English most of them question starts with WH. As you know, children, these question words ask for information and expect an answer other than yes or no. So children, today we will learn about the question words where, when and how we use the question word where in the simple sentences. So children, we use the word where refers to a place or a location. Where is the animal? Where is the person? Where is the place? Where is an object? We use where to find out the location or place of somebody or something. Children, whenever you lost something or you're not able to find something, what you will do? You will ask to other people, where is my shirt? Where is my book? Where are my shoes? Where is my bag? So, we use the word where to find the things. Where means kahan. So, where is basically asks two questions related to the location. For example, if you're not able to find your pencil or socks, then what you will say to your mother or other family member? Mama, where's my pencil? Where are my socks? It means you will definitely use the word where. The word where is also connected with the preposition in, on, under. In our previous online classes, I have told about the preposition words in, on, and under. As you know, children, preposition words also shows the position. And preposition is a word to show where. So children, let's see and read some more examples of the question word where with the preposition words in, on, under. See the picture and read the question. Where is the bicycle? The bicycle is under the tree. Here we use where, the question word where to find out the location of the bicycle. And the word under tells us where is the bicycle. Next question, where is the fish? The fish is in the fish bowl. Here we use the word where to find out the location of a fish, and in tells us that fish is in the fish bowl. Now read the next one sentence. Where is the flower vase? The flower vase is on the table. So here the question word where tells us the location of a flower vase. And o and on is the preposition word which tells us the correct position of the flower vase. Now children, let's see and read the next sentence. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. So, where is the question word? And I and in is the preposition word which tells us the correct position of a ball. The ball is in the box. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. If we will find out the cat, then we will say, where is the cat? And we will use the question word where to find out the cat. And in answer, you will say, the cat is under the table. Then you will use the preposition word under to tell the location or a position of a cat. So, hope you all have understood the today's topic where. So children, now let's do some written work related to this question word Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where.